Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a great song called Rescue Me. It was written by Raynard Miner and another gentleman named Carl Smith. Originally recorded in 1965 by a band called Fontella Bass. Their version peaked at number 4 on the Billboard Hot 100. However, today's inspiration comes from Pat Benatar. Her version appears on the 1994 soundtrack to the Keanu Reeves movie Speed. If you haven't heard it, check it out. I really love this version. So, we're going to perform the song first, then we're going to review the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great 60s song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
Rescue me, bring me in your arms, rescue me. I want your tender charms, 'cause I'm lonely and I'm blue. I need you and your love too. Come on and rescue me. Come on baby, rescue me. Come on baby, rescue me. 'Cause I need you by my side. Can't you see that I'm lonely? Rescue me. Rescue me. Come on baby, take my heart. Take your love and conquer every part. 'Cause I'm lonely and I'm blue. I need you and your love to rescue me. Come on baby, rescue me. Come on baby, rescue me. 'Cause I need you by my side. Can't you see that I'm lonely? Rescue me. Rescue me. Here we go. Come on baby, take me baby, hold me baby, love me baby. Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see that I'm lonely? Rescue me. Come on baby, rescue me. Come on baby, rescue me. 'Cause I need you by my side. Can't you see that I'm lonely? Rescue me. Rescue me. Come on baby, take my hand. Come on baby, make me your man. 'Cause I love you, 'cause I want you. Can't you see that I'm lonely? Rescue me. Rescue me. Rescue me. Rescue me. Come on and rescue me.
Okay, let's have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know to get through this song. It's actually very easy to play. There are only 3 chords in the Acoustic Lounge version. Just a quick note, for my version I do use a capo on the 1st fret. Keep that in mind if you want to play along with me. So let's have a closer look at the chords. First one is a G major. I use a C chord. And I also use a chord called an F/C chord. kind of a hybrid between the C and the F chord. You may wish to bar this chord as well. Whatever you're more comfortable playing. There are a variety of different ways to play an F chord. All, of course, work for this version. All right, let's take a few minutes now and review the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, so for the acoustic lounge version, I add in a little bit of an intro. It helps kind of set the song up and set the tone for it. We're going to look at that separately in a couple of minutes. Right now, I just want to focus on the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. As I mentioned, very easy song to play. The song basically starts on the G major chord. Here we go. Rescue me, and bring me in your arms, rescue me. I need your tender charms, 'cause I'm lonely and I'm blue. I need you and your love too. Come on and rescue me. Come on, baby, rescue me. Come on, baby, rescue me. 'Cause I need you by my side. Can't you see that I'm lonely? Rescue me. That's it. It's very easy. That progression just repeats over and over again all the way through the entire song. So let's take a couple of minutes now and look at that intro. I really think it helps set the song up and also helps kind of identify it. Let's take a closer look now. Okay, that opening riff that I incorporate into my version of Rescue Me. You may choose to add it in yourself, learn it and add it in, or something similar to it, or not. It's up to you. I think it really helps identify the song and helps set it up nicely as you go into the chord progression. Now, I'm not going to go into real depth of how to play this because I could spend 5-10 minutes just showing you this part. What I want to do is just show you the individual notes and where they're located on the fretboard. Then watch this part of the video several times over if you have to get it down. I know you will. It's very easy to play. In addition, I have removed my capo from the first fret. Last thing I want to do is confuse any beginners when I call out individual notes. Of course, they wouldn't be correct if I had my capo on that first fret. With that said, let's have a closer look. Again, it's in standard tuning. Once you have the riff down, you can place your capo anywhere you want on the neck, whatever suits your singing style, and the riff remains the same. But let's get started. Basically, it starts with an open G of the 3rd string. 4th string, 2nd fret, that's an E note. Open 4th string, that's a D. So those 3 notes alone make up a big bulk of the riff. Here it is. Something like that. Then we move to the 5th string, 3rd fret. That's a C note. 5th string, 2nd fret. That's a B. 5th string open. That's an A. To the 6th string, 3rd fret. G. And then one last hit of the open 4th string. And that's a D. Again, should sound like this. And that's it. It's very, very easy. So there you have it. Rescue Me by Fontella Bass, inspired by Pat Benatar's version. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.